Welcome to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under that. Today I want to talk to you about what happens when you may need to hire an attorney or lawyer in your workers' compensation case, and what do Georgia workers' compensation lawyers charge to represent you. Well, there's no set fee under Georgia workers' compensation law for what attorneys charge. There are some limits on what they can charge. The standard fee in most workers' compensation cases is a contingency fee. That's what most Georgia workers' compensation lawyers use. A contingency fee basically means that you don't pay any money up front, and you're not paying an hourly rate. Instead, what you're paying is a percentage of certain benefits or settlement that a workers' compensation lawyer may get on your behalf. In most cases, that contingency fee is 25% of either weekly benefits or settlement that the workers' compensation lawyer gets as a result of the representation of you in your case. Now, it's important to understand that all Georgia workers' compensation attorneys' fees have to be approved by judges at the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation. A workers' compensation attorney in Georgia should not be taking a fee on your case unless a workers' compensation judge has approved that fee. Now, in addition to the attorney's fees in a workers' compensation case, many workers' compensation attorneys will advance the cost of your case on your behalf. In other words, when they're representing you, if there's certain costs like for getting your medical records or for having doctors fill out questionnaires or for deposition or hearing transcripts, they will go ahead and pay those costs, advance them, and then those costs are collected when they recover benefits on your case. This can be good for you because you don't have to worry about paying the expenses of your case as it goes along when you're receiving workers' compensation benefits, which are less than you would normally earn at work, or when you're receiving no benefits at all because the workers' compensation insurance company is not currently paying you. It can be very difficult to pay those expenses while that's going on, so it's helpful to have an attorney who's willing to advance the expenses on your case. But those expenses are generally paid back from you at the time that you recover benefits or that you settle your case. Now, I hope you found this information about what attorneys charge in Georgia workers' compensation cases helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got some more questions about your Georgia workers' compensation case, I'd encourage you to reach out to me and ask those questions. I provide free consultations in workers' compensation cases, so it doesn't cost anything to talk to me about the specific questions that you may have in your case, and it could be helpful to you. If you'd like to set up a free consultation, there's two easy ways that you can do that. The first is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and the other is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the consultation request form that's available there. You can also visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube if you'd like to view additional videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. There's over 100 videos in the series and they're all available there. I'd like to thank you again for watching today, and I really want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.